Every homeowner relies on their garage door for convenience and security. But what happens when your garage door spring breaks? This is a common issue as these springs endure a lot of stress over the years and can suddenly snap, making your garage door unexpectedly heavy and hard to operate. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a safety hazard. If you're in the Wollongong area and facing this problem, don't let a broken spring disrupt your day. Call us at 0409 774 111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to restore your garage door to perfect working order quickly and safely. Don't wait. Ensure your safety and convenience by calling us today.